Hello honeys, welcome back. Today we're going to do another Christmas look. I'm going to transform myself into a gingerbread man. Well, a gingerbread woman, whatever, you know. We're gender fluid, aren't we now, so gingerbread person I think it is, I'm not sure. I'm going to start by creating a lovely, like, the outer part of my face. I've seen someone do it a few years ago and I can't remember for the life of me who it was. I'm going to have to do some research and see if I can find who it was that originally did it. But basically I'm going to use super light foam clay to like create this shape around my face. Just a thick, like, roll it into a sausage and then it's going to go all around the outside of my face here. And then it's all going to be painted the colour of gingerbread. I love gingerbread. I love making gingerbread. I love eating gingerbread. Yeah, it's amazing. November, December time is a time to be alive when you are in this house because gingerbread is everywhere. So yeah, to do that I am going to use this. It is the super light air drying clay from Hobbycraft. This was £2 for 30 grams. I know you can get it cheaper online. Amazon do, I think it's like a kilogram of it for about £20. Or it might be 1.5 kilograms for £20. Either way it works out better to get it on Amazon, so if you are going to buy some I recommend from there, because realistically it is all the same thing. It's going to do, you know, it's going to look the same as if you've got it from Hobbycraft. I just happened to be shopping it in Hobbycraft at the time, so I picked it up whilst I was there. And obviously because I've never like done anything using air drying clay on my face, I don't know whether it's going to be something that I will be good at, so I didn't want to get like a massive tub of it for it to just be wasted. Not that it would be, because my son absolutely loves air drying clay and he's amazing. He's so creative and just fabulous, so he would definitely find a use from it. So let's open it up and see what it's like. Oh, okay, so it's in like a little cellophane plastic bag. Oh my goodness, that is so weird. It's really like I knew it'd be squishy, but wow. Ew. Yep, it definitely smells like air drying clay. This I haven't missed this scent, the smell of anything crafty. It messes with my senses. Ew. I don't know, it's really satisfying at the same time. Really satisfying. I love the feel of it, I just hate the smell of it. So what we're going to do is roll this into like a long sausage, or as long as we can, while still keeping the, you know, same kind of width throughout. I might need to use 2 packs actually, I didn't really think this through. So that's gonna go, yeah, I'm gonna need 2 because that's gonna go on like round his face like that, so obviously we look like a gingerbread man. Yes, I'm gonna go get another pack and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've moulded the basic shape. This is going to go on my face like this. I think I do need to roll it out a tiny bit more. But when we connect it, all you need to do is literally take each end and stick it together. And that will connect it. Look. Amazing. I've managed to make the shape that I'm needing for my face. I'm now going to let that dry. I'm going to go collect my son from school, and then with me being so short on time right now, I am going to continue this look later on. So you may see a bit of change in the lighting. I'm going to try and do my best to keep it as it is now, but I can't promise anything because I live in England. It gets dark at about 4 PM and obviously I'm not going to be continuing this look until I've got my son in bed, so it will be very dark by that time. So yeah, I will see you soon. Don't miss me too much. Hello, I am back. So I have moulded the shape as we know already and I have painted it. So this is like, this to me is the colour of gingerbread. That is going to be stuck on the outside of my face here with some liquid latex. And I'm just going to crack on with the tutorial. There's going to be no talking, I'm just going to get on with it and then we'll come back at the end. This is the finished look for today. I really am not happy with it. I don't know what's happened. So yeah, I think I'm going to retry this again tomorrow and add it onto this video, because let's just say the first take hasn't been a success. I need to go reevaluate my life now, so see you soon. Hello honey, I'm back. So I actually originally did this for the outside of my face to make myself into a gingerbread man, of course, but soon realised once they're dry they shrink, so this is actually too small for my face, and on top of that it's just too, like, it's too circular. It's not, I should have really made the inside flat so it's going against my face, so it's going to be easier to stick down, and you know, so it actually looks more realistic, you know, looks more like a gingerbread man. So whilst I was away yesterday, because I didn't actually end up filming this second part until the next day, I made this one instead. So obviously, as you can see, the flattened parts here kind of like blend into my skin, so that'll make it easier when putting this on. So yeah, I'm just going to get straight on with it. Like I said last time, I'm just going to do the whole tutorial. I'm not going to do any talking throughout because I think it's pretty self-explanatory. You know, there's not really going to be a lot to say. If there is, obviously I will. All I've used is foam, clay and a paint palette. That is all you will need. Do with that information what you will, and let's begin. For this first part, I am going to mix orange with brown to get that gingerbread colour. I'm actually getting so mad with this look. Like, I know I'm a beginner, but this is taking the piss now. This spirit gum is not working. I'm going to have to try and find Prozaid or Prozaid, whatever it's called. I can hardly talk with this around my face as it is, but yeah, it's not sticking on at the same time. I hope I finish this look and I hope it looks good, because I am about to seriously lose my mind. So that was the finished look. I hope you like it. I am definitely running to take all of this off, and I need to think of a better way to do the eyes and get them to stick, because this was not it, okay? But I hope you liked it. I enjoyed doing it. It was very fun. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if this channel is your vibe. Love you. Bye. Mwah.